Hey, what's going on, you guys? It's your boy Jeremy Cash, and I'm here excited today to show you guys, a little proof, that Yoonla does work. This is my Yoonla review. This company is a CPA company. If you don't know what CPA is, it's cost per action, meaning you get paid per action that, a consumer does. Okay, so if they put in they use their name and email or something like that, you'll get paid instead of them having to buy in. If they buy in, you get an extra commission. And so that's what this business is. The actual, the product of the business is digital, products showing you how to market online. Basically just giving you the tools that you'll need, in order to market online. Okay. And so this company is very user friendly. It's very easy. And if you're somebody who's just starting online, or even if you're advanced, you'll crush it. But if you're just starting, you definitely can make some really good money with this very fast, very easy. Okay. For the simple fact that people don't have to buy in order for you to make money. But if they do buy, you make more money. So, okay, let's get into it. So right now, as you can see, I have a approved amount of $210. I've only been doing this for about a couple of weeks, because they had a phase one. They had a Yoonla phase one. They shut it down, and they wanted to, I guess they had a lot of, things that were going on with their system, and so they had to shut it down. And they took about a month or two off to get everything back, and they relaunched under a new program, Yoonla Evolve. So everything is new, everything's working, how it is. They're paying out how they're supposed to now, and everything's been great. So I have a total approved of 210. I still have $392 pending, so that's about $500 total for me just doing this on a daily basis. Now here, once you get involved and you come down here, it'll show you, how many clicks you get, in the last 30 days. The unique clicks versus the repeated clicks. And what that means, unique clicks is new people, repeated clicks are the same people going through your link again. They won't count those, they'll decline those commissions. And so, I just got approved for another $58. And then I can cash out. So in order for you to be able to cash out, let me go here and see if I could show you guys here on the menu side of things. Commissions, all commissions. Let me see if I can show you guys here. Wait 1 second. Okay. So yeah, let me show you this first. So anyone in the US that joins you, you'll make $4 per lead. So anyone in the US that joins and they enter their name and email, you'll make $4. Anyone outside of the US, as you can see here, anyone outside of the US, you'll get $2 per lead. Okay, so you see these, and over here, if it says decline, it'll tell you that it was a duplicate email. That means that the person tried to come in more than once. They can only come in once, and if they try to come in again, then it's gonna decline that commission. So that's good. It tells you, okay, the ones that are declined are duplicate, the other ones are pending. So you see how many leads, $4 adds up pretty quick. And if you can do this every day, so let's get down to it. How much does it cost? Does it cost? It doesn't cost to become an affiliate. So if you wanted to get in and actually just, sell the program, you will make about $60 commission. And then I believe when your teammate signs someone else up, you'll get a $30 commission off of that, from my understanding. If I'm wrong, please tell me. But that's from my understanding. I haven't been in that long, so I'll definitely look into that more. But that's the understanding. But if you want to do what I'm doing, get paid per lead and get paid per, signing people up, because I get paid, $4 if someone joins in the US. Anyone joins outside the US, I'll get $2. And then also, if someone decides to join on the team, then I'll get additional $60. And then if they sign someone up, I'll get additional $30. So you can see how much money you can make really fast with this program, right? And so basically what you'll have to do, how much it costs. It costs you around $22 to $23 a month. Okay, because they want you to get an autoresponder. The key here is to build a list, right? And this is what all of the top entrepreneurs, they know this and they do this. Okay, it took me forever to get a autoresponder. I figured I didn't need it, whatever. But then I lost out on thousands and thousands and possibly millions of dollars because I've been getting hundreds of thousands of leads over the years, but I don't have any, saved that I could have just marketed to. So this program will teach you how to do that. You'll get you a Get Response account, which is an autoresponder account. If you already have one, great. I believe they can integrate that. And then you'll need to do the hosting, site, and then they'll get that set up for you. They do have options that'll get that set up for you. Okay, so those two alone will cost you about $22 a month. Not bad at all. You already see I already made my investment back, right? I'm making my investment back each month. Two times over. And this is going to grow really big once I start my YouTube. This is all from free traffic using Facebook and Facebook groups and stuff like that, testing it out. But so how you get started, you guys, you click the link below this video, okay? Then it will bring you to a page that looks like this. Once you put your name and email in, it'll take you to another page that says go to your email and confirm it. This way, this is what's different from the first part of the company they had. The first company they had, you put your name and email in, and it'll directly take you straight into the Yoonla platform. Well, a lot of people were using fake emails and fake leads, and so this is the way that they filter them out. So now, once you enter your name and email, okay, it'll take you to another page, and it'll say, go confirm your email. So you have to put in a real email. So now they know that it's a real lead. And then once they confirm, they go to the email and confirm it, you get your $4 or you get your $2. Okay. But this is how you sign up. So if you want to become a part of it, you put your name and email in, go confirm it, and then it will bring you to a link in your email. You sign up. You just make you it'll tell you to, register to sign up. You just go ahead and put your name and info in, sign up, and it'll bring you to a page like this, right? All you have to do, go through these different steps. You see step 1, you see all these, watch these different videos. It's just going to show you how to go through, get everything set up. Once you're done, you'll be activated and good to go. You can start getting paid every day per lead. Leads are so easy, man. You can get leads all day. And if you join my team, I do have a YouTube training for you. It's actually my number 1 training that I charge $150 for. I'll give that to you for free on my team, and it's going to show you how to explode this business with YouTube. And I also do have a free training on my YouTube page. On my YouTube page, showing you how I market in the Facebook job section. And that's bringing me leads on autopilot. So, and there's a few other things I'll show you with Instagram ads and things like that. So, if you guys want to get started, go ahead and get started on the team, man. It's a lot of money to be made here. This company is really going to change the game. I haven't had any problems with it. I know, the first part of the company, people had, problems with it, but that's why they relaunched. And they decided to get everything fixed, which I love it. And now everything's working perfect. People are cashing out really big. And so if you guys want to get started with Yoonla, definitely a great platform. I'd say go ahead and get started today. If you need help with anything regarding, just period online, if you need help and training, let me know. I do have mentorship programs. I do have, teach you how to market online. I do have all this one-on-one coaching type of things that I do that I can help you with. So with that being said, let me know if you're ready to join. Go ahead and get started below. Contact me once you do. Let's get you trained. Let's get you paid. I love this business. It's very user-friendly and easy to do. Wouldn't take you long to go ahead and get started making some money. So see you guys later. If you need anything else, contact me, please. All right, you enjoy the rest of your day.